What's up, YouTube fam? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we've got a triple header. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor. It's a 3rd gen processor from AMD. Also, I'm going to be unboxing 16 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz RAM from Vengeance RAM from Corsair, and then also I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Cooler Master Box MB311L. If you've seen in my previous video, I unboxed a BioStar motherboard, X470 motherboard, and I'm going to be doing a build on the channel because I'm in the process of upgrading one of my computers. So I'll be putting together a few videos, like a kind of like a tutorial, and just roll with me on this journey. Like I said before, we're going to be doing a lot of things on this channel, some how-tos, some just let's talk, gaming, tech reviews, unboxings, just trying to do a little bit of everything. And I might have a few other surprises tucked in my sleeve, like some collaborations and whatnot. But without further ado, let's get into it and see what we get. So here we are. We have the Corsair 16 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz RAM. You can get this on Amazon for about 75 bucks. All right. Okay, so real standard packaging. This is just the RAM. This is pretty much all you get in the box. So that was easy. I'll take that off so the shine won't get on there. We'll do that. And then here we go. Got your CPU right there. All right, AMD. All right, so let's check it out. Right, so in the box, you get the CPU. All right, and then you get the little sticker that you can put on your desktop itself. Usual books. So, and then comes with an included fan. This is really cool. These AMD Spire fans are really, really good. I have one, and it has some thermal paste already on there, so that's why it has this right here. I was just going to show you guys, don't put it on the ground or anything like that, because you don't want the thermal paste to dissipate or to get messed up. And also I would recommend putting a dab of thermal grizzly on there as well, but you'll see that when we do the actual PC build. But that's what you get in the box. So, but this fan, this fan is really, really good. I have one of those in my other PCs and haven't had an issue yet. So bear with me, and just like Floss said, talk amongst yourselves. And it's like magic, I'm back. Don't hate on my editing skills, I'm not there yet. But here's the Cooler Master Box. And like I said, all the links for all this stuff will be in the description. And let's check it out. What you get. Set that to the side. Here, so alright, usual books. Let's see what we have. Oh wow, this is a nice case. This is a really nice case. I like this one. Okay, as you can see, you have your USB 3.0 ports on top. You have your headphone jack. reset button, tempered glass right here, back, power supply, where your motherboard goes, exhaust fans. You can have exhaust fans here, and I believe there's 2 exhaust fans already installed, so you're already off to the races. So again, that's the Cooler Box Master Box MB311. Talk amongst yourselves. He's back again. I've got a little bonus right here. I have a radiator fan that will go in one of the slots on here on the Cooler Master case. This one is a blue RGB. So you have the cables, the mounting screws, and come on out, trolling a little bit. There we go. All right. So it's a big boy. It is definitely a big boy. So this one is rated at 1500 RPMs. This is a 120 millimeter fan, and it's a has a low noise cable attached to it, and it says on the box that it can be reduced by 18.7 dBA. So a lot of people that are going for that real quiet PC thing, you get you a few of these. This will definitely help it out. So I'm gonna try one, and then if I like it, then I'll add it to the case. But essentially this is what it would look like. And these are some of the features on it. It's a thermal take, a very popular company within the PC building realm. And it's the Ring 12. I got this from Best Buy. And I'll leave the link in the description for everything that I had, the processor, the memory, and the case. And we'll get started in a little bit. So just bear with me and we will get it together. So been here for a little bit, so I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. So you guys take care of each other. Peace.